Ever wondered what PCOS is and how it affects individuals of reproductive age? Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, or PCOS, is a common hormonal disorder, particularly among women. Today, we're diving deeper into this topic to understand its causes, prevention, and treatment. Firstly, let's explore the causes of PCOS. The exact cause is not fully understood, but it likely involves a combination of genetic and environmental factors. Many individuals with PCOS have insulin resistance, meaning their bodies can't use insulin effectively. This can lead to elevated insulin levels and increased production of androgens. PCOS is also characterized by an imbalance in sex hormones, particularly an increase in androgens like testosterone. A family history of PCOS may increase the risk of developing the condition, and chronic low-grade inflammation may also play a role. Now, what about prevention? While PCOS is influenced by genetic and hormonal factors that are beyond our control, there are steps that might help reduce the risk of developing PCOS or managing its symptoms. Maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet and regular exercise may be preventive. A diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats may help manage insulin levels and reduce the risk of PCOS. Regular physical activity can improve insulin sensitivity and help with weight management. Stress reduction techniques like yoga, meditation, and relaxation exercises may also be beneficial. And remember, early detection and management can make a significant difference. Finally, let's discuss the treatment of PCOS. PCOS is a lifelong condition, and there's no cure, but its symptoms and associated health risks can be managed. Treatment typically involves a multidisciplinary approach and varies depending on an individual's symptoms and goals. Lifestyle modifications, hormonal birth control, anti-androgen medications, insulin-sensitizing medications, and fertility treatments are among the options available. In conclusion, while PCOS is a complex condition, understanding its causes, prevention, and treatment can empower individuals to take control of their health and well-being. Remember, early detection and proactive management are key.